Hi guys, welcome to TP Coder channel. For this video, I'm going to show you how do I insert the custom model class for our each gender dataset. Let's get started.
Alright guys, thanks for watching my videos. So welcome back. For the last video, we have been completing the custom age model, and for this video, we're gonna be focused on creating the function for instanting our models. So yep, let's get started. Okay, first, I would like to create another Python file under our age directory. So I'm just gonna name it train.py. Alright, so I'm gonna import several packages. So the first thing will be the common one, or S. Then I'm gonna set some environment path here, which I'm gonna specific like which GPU we're gonna use for when our trainings. So the first thing will be the CUDA device order, PCI bus ID. Right, then the second one will be our CUDA visible device. So we will specify 0. So because for my computers, I only have one GPU, which is in the index 0. So I'm just gonna specify the 0 one. If you have multiple GPUs, and you can specify more at these particular variables. Then I'm gonna import it should be from custom age model, import custom age model. Alright, so well, this will be the models that we created in the last video. So we're gonna invoke these particular classes, and then we're gonna use torch as well. Alright, I think it should be sufficient for now. Then I'm just go ahead and create my function, which is I'm just gonna call it instant model. Then only one parameter will be expecting from this particular function, which is the device. Then I'm just gonna say my model equal to custom age model, and we're gonna pass in our device. Then I'm just gonna say model dot to device. Alright, so the next things we're gonna do is we're gonna instance our criterion, or I would say it's a loss function, for three different labels output. So first will be the gender, second one ethnicity, and the last one will be our age. Right, so they have three different criterions here. Okay, so let's start with the first one. I would say ethnicity criterion. It should be torch.nn dot cross entropy loss, and the second one will be the gender. And then for the gender, I'm just gonna use the torch.nn.bce loss, which stand for binary cross entropy loss. So for the gender, we just need to do a binary classification instead of multi-class classification. So yeah, it will be anything less than 0.5, it will be 0. If anything more than 0.5, it will be class 1. So it's 0 or 1. So it will be representing male or female. And then last but not least will be the age criterion. So for the age, we are trying to do regression instead. Hence, we just gonna use the mean square error loss. Alright, our loss functions for the three different tasks are ready. So the next one will be our optimizer. So for the for the optimizer, I'm just gonna use the touch.nn.optim.atom. So for three of them, I'm just gonna apply the same optimizer, which is the atom optimizer. Then the optimizer expecting all the parameters from our neural network. So I'm just gonna say parameters. Alright, so the learning rate, I'm just gonna say is 0.003. So if you guys wish to mix the learning rate to be dynamic, yeah, you can just go ahead and put it as values or as input parameters in these particular functions, right? So for now, I'm just gonna specify the 0.003, which that is the standard or the best learning rate for the atom optimizers. Alright, so at the end of this function, I'm just gonna return my models and then the optimizer, and that I'm gonna return a mapping instead. So I'm just gonna say ethnicity, right? Which stand for the ethnicity loss that we have been created. And then the next one will be our gender. And last but not least, our age criteria. Alright, so until here, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.